Get your life together, honey. Get your life together. Make sure you subscribe to, hit the notification bell, and make sure to enter the giveaway on Instagram and Facebook on All the Way Glam.
Well, the giveaway might be done by the time this video go up.
Bye.
Hello, everyone. As y'all can see, Gabby had a lot to say. I'm not gonna do the intro. There's no point. I think she pretty much did that. But y'all already know I'm starting off with using my Ofoji Pro Vitamin Leave-In and green tea Reconstructor. I also use the Fantasia Heat Protectant, my Ion Silk Elements Infusion Drops, and I use the Garnier Heat Protectant and the Garnier Blowout Cream. So now I'm just, as you can see, going to detangle her hair, and then I'm going to blow dry her hair. I'm blow drying using the tension method first, and then I'm going to add a paddle brush to her while I'm blow drying, and this will help her scalp because she did I did shampoo and deep condition her hair. To shampoo, I use the Majestic oil. It's the dupe for the Moroccan line. It's very expensive. I'll try to find a picture of the Moroccan line, but you can get the Majestic oil line from Sally's. It's a good dupe. So I shampoo, condition her hair with that, and then I also deep condition her hair using the deep conditioner mask that comes with that line. Okay, and to flat iron her hair, I'm using my Baby Bliss Pro, and the flat iron is on the higher setting, which is 450. So again, before I start, I'm spraying her hair again with that Fantasia spray, and then I'm using more of my Silk Ion Drops, and I'm gonna detangle it again. Just make sure her hair is completely saturated. She feeling herself. Okay. So I'm just gonna detangle it, and then we're just gonna start the flat iron. Okay, so now that Gabrielle's hair is all the way flat iron, now I'm just going to go in and trim away all of her dead ends. I'm parting her hair down the center so it can be an even cut. And I put the white towel around her so you guys will be able to see all of the split ends and see where we're cutting. So I'm going to cut maybe about 1 inch of hair off. I think that was a good amount to even everything out. And starting off with the cut, you just want to do a basic guide, which is going across, and you just want to, as you see me, I'm turning her constantly. I didn't put her in a chair. Honestly, I don't have a chair. I could have used the stool, but with children, they're always tending to move a lot. So I'm just cutting straight across, and I'm just following my guide. It's kind of hard to explain, you guys, because I did go to cosmetology school, but trimming hair or trimming your ends, it's a simple process. It's not that hard. You always want to follow your guide and not cut over your guide. So figure out how much you want to cut, where you want to cut, and then just cut that and just even up the rest of the hair with that. So now I'm just pulling her hair out at a 90-degree angle, and I'm trimming off her ends throughout the center of her head. You don't want to just cut all the way across and then just leave it at that, because you can have split ends throughout the center. So again, I'm just going to keep doing the same process, pulling them all the way out and then just cutting them off. And then also I'll do a little bit of point cutting, because in one spot she did have split ends that went up a little bit further, but it wasn't a lot to where I wanted to cut off more of her hair. So I was thinning out those split ends by point cutting. Okay, you guys, so right about now is where I'll start point cutting, and that's just to soften up those, well, if you were doing a blunt cut, it would be to soften up the line, but with her, it's where I was talking about with the split ends. She had a little bit of good hair and a little bit of bad, and I did just want to cut it all off, so you can just point cut that way to get rid of it. And I thank you guys so much for watching as usual. If you have not subscribed to my channel, y'all heard Gabby at the beginning, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. She loved her hair, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.